kang mag-copy-paste, panoorin mo to. Baka ma-trouble ka.
Trouble? Aray ko.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Group 5 here from Base Stream 1B. And today's vlog is all about intellectual property and copyright. Guys! Na-finalize ko na yung concept and logo for our project. This automatic vending machine. Tinawag ko siyang Preto machine.
Wow! Ang ganda naman! Picture lang ito lang saglit ha. For inspiration lang to. Good morning everyone! Our business concept is the Bindo Primo machine. It's very unique and easy to use. Mas madali at mas better pa sa ibang printing shop.
Wait lang! Parang gumawa niya na.
La! Inspired lang! Grabe ka naman!
Teka lang, Asenero. So, that is not just an inspiration. That's copying. Because Kando's idea is protected by intellectual property.
Pero sir, wala ko pong patent yun.
Even without patent, copyright is exists the moment the work is created. So, bawal yan na. Take your seat. So, okay class. So, did you know how to avoid copyright?
No sir.
So, easy lang. So, there are four. No? Four on how to avoid copyright. First is give credit. That is number one. Second is use royalty-free music like Ben Sound, Europe Library. So, that is number two. Number three is don't steal images or videos online from other content creator. And last is ask permission if needed. So before you get his or her content, dapat manghingi muna kayo ng permission. So that's good. Yun lang.
Yes sir.
Everyone, take note that ideas, logos, music, and art, lahat yan ay intellectual property. Hindi porket nakita mo online ay pwede mo nang kunin.
Ang IP or intellectual property ay protection para sa mga original na gawa ng utak mo like music, logos, invention, designs, and more.
There are four main types of IP. First, copyright. Copyright is all about music, videos, and writings.
Second is trademark, logo, and brand names.
Patent for invention.
Trade secrets. Secret recipes or formulas. Copyright is automatic. Pag ikaw ang gumawa, sayong-sayo yan. No need to register it right away. Music daily song from my blog. Then YouTube removes my video. Sakit sa puso, pero ayos lang.
Original yan!
Kaya
At huwag nakalimutan, story ang gawa ng iba. Kasi sa mundo ng content creation, bawal ang mangopya.
Bawal